All right, 13 says find x if AE is x, EB is 3x, CE is 6, and ED is 8. Well, this is a situation where they're intersecting inside the circle. You've got two chords here. So if you recall, CE 6 times ED 8 equals AE x times EB 3x. 6 times 8 is 48. 48 equals 3x squared. Okay, so you're going to divide everything by 3. Divide everything by 3. 48 divided by 3 gives us 16. 16 is x squared. Take the square root. X has to be 4. All right. Number 14. 2 secants. So my rule is the whole thing. That's a sum of 8 and 4 here, or 12, times the part outside, 8, is, over here, the whole thing, which you can see is marked as x, times the part outside. And here's where we run into a little problem here, because the part outside is this. Now I know the part inside is 10. And they didn't tell me what the part outside was. But if you think about it, the whole thing is x. And if I take 10 away from x, what's left over has to be the part outside. So this is going to be the whole thing x times the part outside, which actually becomes x minus 10. Now, 12 times 8 is 96. 96 is, distribute here, x squared minus 10x. I can see the quadratic, so bring the 96 over. Bring the 96 over. X squared minus 10x minus 96. We want to know when that's 0. So we got to factor 96, and the factors have to be 10 apart. 1 and 96, 2 and 48, 3 and 32, 4 and 24. None of these are working here. 5 won't work. 6, 96 divided by 6. 6 and 16. 6 and 16, those are 10 apart. So x minus 16 times x plus 6 minus 16 plus 6 gives me minus 10. So that gives me a solution of 16 and a solution of negative 6. And again, go back here, find x. X represents this distance. Negative 6 doesn't make sense. So x is 16.